You may think that making chrome text in Photoshop is very hard. However, it is very simple, and here's how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is to create your type layer. Import your shape that you want to turn into a shiny chrome render type. Right-click on it or CMD-click the name on the layer and select the Rasterized Type button, which will convert your text to an object, so you can apply all the filters to it, as you can see right here. Now for step 2, you want to select a dark gray for your foreground color and a light gray for your background. Then, you want to select the gradient tool. Just linear forward to background and drag from the top to the bottom of the image. And tip, hold down the shift key to constrain to 90 degrees. This should look like this for all your text. Then, you want to apply the plastic wrap filter. This is found under the filter, gallery filter, and on the earlier versions of Photoshop, it's under the artistic effects and the artistic button. As you can see, this is the button right here, which is called the plastic wrap, and simply just click OK. Then, you want to make the chrome. So just create the curves, adjustments of the layer, and make a curve like the one in this image. Go easy on the first time if you are laying down the base of the tones here. And also note that if you will use the clipping option, it'll only affect the text layer and not all the layers. Then, you want to add a second curve, which is for the adjustment layer on top, and make sure it's clipped too. And you can really shape the way you want the chrome to look and make it brighter or darker depending on the look you are after. Then, you want to apply a layer style, so just add some dimensions to the chrome later. So just note that the gloss contour is changed to get more of a chrome look, and you can also add a drop shadow, and the result should look like this. And that's how you can basically make chrome text in Photoshop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification